Hi, good morning, everybody. Welcome to our English class. How was your test paper? Almost all of you wrote well, and I send your marks also. All are fine, no? Okay, in the previous class, we completed the lesson Androclus and the Lion, and question answers also completed. All of you wrote it in your fair copy, I think. Today, we will go to the remaining exercise. Okay, first the words. Okay, page number 48. All of you take okay, words. Rearrange the letters to form words related to butterflies. Here some jumbled words are given there. Okay, the words are letters are in disorder. You have to write in order. These all words are related to butterflies. Okay, first one GSWNI. That is what wings. WINGS wings. Second one LCATALRERPI caterpillar CATTERPILLAR caterpillar. Very carefully write, okay, caterpillar. Number 3 larva LARVA larva. Finish now. Larva. Number 4 feelers FEELERS feelers. Number 5 cocoons cocoon COCOON cocoon. Number 6 pupa PUPA pupa. I think all of you finish. Next, pronunciation. Okay, in some words, the letter O sounds like U in sun. In some words, O sound will be U. O sound will be U. Example, sun. SUN, sun. Okay, some another example also given the SON, sun. Listen to these words and repeat. S sun, SON, sun. What is the difference between SUN, sun and SON, sun? SUN, sun means Suraj. SON, sun means beta. Yes, now? Both U sound is coming, okay. Next one, nothing. Nothing, 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 but U sound is coming instead of OU. NU, nothing. NU sound is coming. Next one, come. COME only, but sound is CUME coming, no? U sound coming. Next one, ton. TON only, but O sound is U there. Color. CU. U sound is coming, no? Here COLO, UR color. Spelling is COLO, UR only, but O sound is U only. Next one, some exercise are there. Circle the words in which O sounds like U. O sounds like U. SOME, some. Yes, circle it, okay. O sound is U only there. Next, dozen. DOZEN, dozen. DU, O sound U is coming there also. Circle it, okay. Second one also circle. Third one is cope. There O sound O only coming, okay. Don't circle. Next one, money. Circle it, okay. U sound is coming. Money. Honey also. Circle it, okay. Honey. O sound like U only, no. Next one, follow. This U sound is not coming, okay. No need to circle. Oven. O sound only coming, no. Cover. O sound is U, no? See U coming. Circle it. Next one, got. G-O-T, got. O sound O only, not U. Poverty. P-O, poverty. There also U sound is not coming. No need to circle. Already 5 words we are circle now. Some, dozen, money, honey, cover. These 5 words we circle, okay. Next we are going to study a little bit grammar, okay. There are 3 articles, a and the. Yeah. Earlier also we discussed it. Already 3 articles only. And this a and the. These are the 3 articles. Here a and an are called indefinite articles, and whereas the is definite article. Okay, in class 5 you will study in grammar, you will study in details. In class 4 also I think is there. And here little bit is there. A and an both are indefinite article, and the is a definite article. Where we will use a and an, you know that and we use just before the vowels or vowel sound. Generally we using a only with the, just before the consonant we using a. And that the we using wherever we use, when we use the is using if the noun is only one in the world, or possessive cases if we pointing one particular noun. So when we repeat a noun, then also we will use the. Here some exercises are there, simple exercise only. We will study articles in details later, okay. Now today this much enough explanation, we will go to the exercise, okay. See, Delhi is dash capital of India. Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi is only one, no? So Delhi is the capital of India. Next one, dash, earth is round. Earth one only, the only will come. The earth is round. T-H-E, the T capital right there, okay. Next one, dash, animal may die if it is kicked by dash giraffe. An animal may die if it is kicked by a giraffe. An animal. A is a vowel, no? A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, no? Just before the vowels we use an. Number 4. A female giraffe is called a cow. A female giraffe is called a cow. Consonant only, no? So just before a enough. Okay, a female giraffe is called a cow. Finish all of you. Number 5. A cow blows and a calf beats. Both no, consonant only, a enough. Number 6. The class started an hour late. An hour late. Here H only, but H is silent there, okay. O sound is coming, hour. O is consonant, no? Hour, hour. A, I, O, U, hour. H is silent there, okay. This vowel sound only coming. So, and we use, okay. Next one, she is married to an Englishman. E is a vowel, so we use an Englishman. My sister was born on a Sunday. Sister born on a Sunday. Consonant only. So I saw him talking to a schoolboy in the field. I saw him talking to a schoolboy in the field. A only used there, okay, because consonant. Is there a doctor in the train? Doctor, D, consonant, then A enough. Okay. Next one, the river Nile flows through Egypt. The river Nile. Only one. Okay. Nile is only one. Okay. So, the will use. What an interesting play it is. Interesting. I is kept this starting. Okay. There I is a vowel. So, and we will use. Okay. What an interesting play it is. Next one, the sun rises in the east. They are both die we use. Okay, definite article we use there. The sun. Sun is only one, no? So we use the sun. East, the east. East also one direction, no? One only. So the we use. Australia is an island. Australia is an island. I. Vowels. So, and we use. Would you like to have a banana? Would you like to have a banana? Banana. B is a consonant. So, A enough. Okay, from this exercise, I think you understood where we will use a, an, and the. In grammar, again we will study. Okay. A generally we use just before the consonant and just before the vowels or vowel sound, and the definite article that we use if the noun is only one in the word. Otherwise, when we repeat the nouns, there also will use. Okay. Rearrange the words. Next one, okay. Exercise number B. Okay. Rearrange the words and rewrite the sentences. Complete them with an article. Here some words are given there that rearrange these words and also use article also. Okay, wherever need articles, article also we have to use. First one, park in running she is. Okay, she will start. Okay, she is running in the park. She is running in the park. The definite article we use. Okay, she is running in the park. Next one, Mr. Mohan driver is. Mr. Mohan is a driver. Mr. Mohan is a driver. Number 3, eating she is egg. Is she eating an egg? Is she eating an egg? You carefully write, okay. Drinking cat milk is. The cat is drinking milk. The cat is drinking milk. Number 5, boy cricket playing is. A boy is playing cricket. A boy is playing cricket. Number 6, rain in Spain falls plains mainly on. Okay, rain in Spain falls mainly on the plains. Rain in Spain falls mainly on the plains. Okay, next number 7. Slipped on boy floor slippery. A boy slipped on the slippery floor. A boy slipped on the slippery floor. Okay, today this much enough. All of you write this exercise very carefully in your textbook and study. And also one more homework is there. Write the question answers I gave last class, and close on the line. 6 question answers are there. Here first three question answers 3 times write and send to me WhatsApp. Okay, first three question answers write 3 times and send it in my WhatsApp. Okay, this is a homework, all of you remember it. Okay, okay, bye.